All right, Sunday breaks. First up is a triple box of Merlin. This was drafted teams. There they are. So we have an HTA full and then 10 left in the HTA drafted, 11 Allure teams, and 12 spots in the football. Hey, Hippie. Red Raider. Seems weird. I don't know. Swabby with the bits. Yeah, that was gross. I told Sam, a bigger challenge would have been to make me, like, drink 1 ounce of it for 15 minutes. Pounding down the whole thing at one time, that was no problem. Stretching it out, that would have been an issue. Edouard rookie. Nice Mbappe refractor. Oh, I need sleeves, of course. I did watch the F1 race this morning, Hippie. It was a wild one. Orlando. Nintendo. Gold atomic for Juventus. Oscar. Nice one. Mukoko rookie. Aubameyang. He scored today. Trincao rookie. Son. Mason Mount, U23. Such is the world, Red Raider. Everything gets more expensive all the time. Danilo for PSG. JNG to 150. Yeah. Yeah, he kind of, took a shot and didn't really pay off. But like they were saying on the broadcast, it feels like the team has to be better than that. Has to let them know that staying up there is not an option. Doku rookie. Wow. That card is I don't think it's creased. That's just like a damage on the surface sealant. Ooh, purple Mukoko. Awesome. Sandman, a beauty. To $2.99. Mukoko. He started the other day. Yesterday, was that? Adiemi rookie. Nintendo. Pedri rookie. Jesus. Perrine refractor. What do we get this time? Another dog? Curtis Jones rookie. Wow, classy. Davies. Yeah, that's a cute one, Jules. Timber. Lewandowski, Ageless Alchemy. He still scores all the time. Thank you, RC Boy. And Classy for the Prime subs. Sailmakers. Green to 99. Martinelli rookie. Kulusevski. He's at home. We don't both have to be here 7 days a week every week. He's busy stepping in dog poop at his house. Messi base. Xavi. Felice. Wizards. And it looks like it's going to be a fairly short night. Well, it'll be short even if you fill everything. Nice Musiala refractor rookie. I personally did not, Philly man. Sam probably did, I believe. What was it regarding? De Bruyne. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's weird. I wonder how that would have happened. Haidara. I don't think it was cracked when I bought it, so it must have happened in shipment. Yeah, I'll talk to Sam about that. We'll get back to you. Sorry. I do remember that now. De Bruyne refractor. Yeah. Yeah, so there's like a chip off the top of it? Huh. I'll have to look at what kind of a package you got and stuff. It's so strange to me that would have happened. Wow. Weird. Card's way off center, too. Another Danilo autograph. Yeah, I saw the pictures. Jeez, Swabby. Saka, he scored today. Gravenberch, refractor, rookie. Oh, how it takes fast again. Package and ship the cards. Yeah, that's true. They go out on Tuesday now, almost always. It used to be sometimes Monday, sometimes Tuesday. Now it's usually Tuesday. Yeah, that's a bummer, though. That's, like I said, I wonder how that happened. We'll come up with something, don't worry. Conrad, Holland base. Vieira. To 199. Oh yeah, how was it, Red Raider? Fati, he came back, scored a goal today. Ooh, Adiemi. To 150. Oh, he got him. Steve Nebraska. An IDM to 150. Yeah, it feels like the other one didn't come out that long ago. Classy. You got your guy. Better brand of beef makes a Butterburger better. Kamavinga base rookie. Melvin Gordon touchdown. Nice. Gravenbert rookie. Osimhen. Ooh, Pedri Refractor rookie. That one is fairly well centered. Topps Chrome Baseball? I don't know. We still have some. I'm sure it'll be in the rotation. Coco base. Trincao base. It's a cool Neymar. Teal mini diamond to 175. Nice one. Are they like on the site, or you mean from other places? Marquez, rookie refractor. Baronexta. Musiala. Lukaku. The light boxes are 130? How much are hobbies on eBay? Handoff. Mbappe base. Messi. Marquez rookie green Mojo to 99. Fauna. Are the lights really that close to hobby? Xavi rookie. Zaniolo refractor. Oh, man. I guess the DB took the worst of that hit. Watching Red Zone. Doku. Nice. Curtis Jones to 250. Traore. There's an IDM base, Steve Nebraska. Sun refractor. My guy. I love Sun. Ooh, no, I didn't hear about that. That is sad, though. Pedri rookie. It's got some surface scratching on there. Yeah, you know, Soto has played his way back into contention. Ooh, wow. Look at that. A gold Kamavinga. MW Clot. Soto's having the best year, but his team isn't good, obviously. But I don't think the Phillies are going to make the playoffs either. Or the Padres, for that matter. Phillies are close, though, aren't they? They're only one game back of the Braves now. Curtis Jones, base, rookie. Parkey. Another Bellingham. Noah Lang, refractor. Oh, the Padres were officially eliminated already? Jeez. Yeah, the Cardinals don't lose. Saka. The Cardinals winning again today. Or did they win? I don't know what time they started. Griezmann, Torres, Edouard, Ansu Fati, U23. Just took the lead. Jesus. Nice Holland Wizards insert. Well, at least the Brewers have won a couple games now, so the Cardinals are not going to, wow, catch them in the division. Kamavinga auto again. Didn't we just get a Kamavinga out of Merlin? That's a Mojo to 99. Is that MW Claw that had Stade? Where are they? Yeah, MW Claw. A beauty. Was that from this or something else? I swear we just got a Kamavinga autograph last week or the week before. Huh. Same box as the gold, right? The gold non-auto? Haidara, rookie refractor. Oh, the other one was Topps Chrome. Martinelli, rookie. Jeez. Look at those two cards. We got two Danilo autographs. 1 to 150 and one not numbered. And then these are obviously not in order. This is parallels and some rookie refractors like that Haidara, Holland, Sun refractor. Curtis Jones to 250. Marquez rookie to 99. Neymar to 175. A Pedri rookie refractor. Adeyemi to 150. Vieira, Gravenberch, Musiala refractors. Oh yeah, we got a Moukoko purple too. Nintendo. And Mbappe. And then base. There's other good base guys too that we'll get in top loaders, but these are the Bellinghams, Xavi, Pedri, Moukoko.